Okay, so here's the recording of the old Friedman Meyer to test the common rail pumps. Dave, point out where the fuel inlet is coming from the test stand there.
Way down underneath here is your fuel inlet. Comes around over this bar here into the filter, or pressure regulator.
And then from there it comes down into the
goes down through here into the CP3 pump.
And then into the pump, right.
And from the pump it goes to the high pressure rail.
High pressure rail, which is right here. I'll get a couple of different shots of the high pressure rail so that you can see just how this thing's set up. And then from the high pressure rail we have a return. We have two returns coming out. We got a return to the high pressure rail and a return out of the pump, which is subsequently going back to the stand. And there's the setup of the control, and those instructions come with it, and if you need a copy, I've got it. And the injectors will hook up. Point out where the injectors hook up to the rail there.
The injectors hook up to the rail here.
With the thicker high pressure pipes. You got to make sure you got the high pressure pipes there.
With these adapters.
With those adapters, and we've had made up different adapters depending on the injectors. Mm-hmm. Those are for the common.
Duramax, the 24 valve Dodge.
And then we run the return. Point on the return there. We've got the return off that adapter, which is that right there, and that goes back up to one of the glass graticules to measure the amount of return. And then you got your end cap that goes on the injector, which is that right there. That you'll measure that
fuel output
there, and that should pretty much be self-explanatory. We'll just run down the pump and the setup here. This is Dave. He helped us, and Aaron helped a lot too. You heard his voice the whole time. He actually tests it. And back to the pump because the batteries are wearing out.